Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and this might be the fastest video you've ever seen about how to install a Johnson Hardware soft close pocket door frame. All right, the first step is you need to read the instructions. All right, you hear that all the time. It looks really complex, a lot of writing. That's because there's different languages. It's really, really simple. Please read the instructions. Step one is to create the rough opening. The width of the rough opening is 2 times the door width plus an inch. In my case here, we're using a 30-inch door. So 30 plus 30 plus 1, it's 61 inches left to right. All right. The height of the rough opening, I like to do 84 inches. From the subfloor or the concrete slab up to the bottom of the flat 2x4 or 2x6 for your opening. The next step is to go ahead and install the entire track. It's really simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions. They tell you how high to put screws in your wall studs. Once you have the header in, the next step is to install these very cool U-brackets. And these little parts here, the actual metal studs that Johnson Hardware provides fits right on top of these. And this particular one is installed directly underneath where the header of the frame ends. Once again, that's all in your instructions. See how simple it is? To install a Johnson Hardware soft close pocket door frame, I'm going to install the other 3 studs. I'll be done and on to the next project. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.